marketing associate.
Oh, great! What makes you interested in applying to our company?
Okay, ma'am, I'm interested because this company has a good reputation and is innovative in the field of digital marketing. I want to contribute and learn here.
So good. What was your greatest achievement in your previous job?
I was with a social media campaign that increased assessment by 14%. I am responsible to content strategy and performance analysis.
It's true. How did you face the challenge in the campaign?
We are present in social media algorithm. I adapted by changing my content strategy and increase engagement with my audience.
What are your long-term plans in your career?
I want to continue developing in the digital marketing field and take up an managerial role. I also want to continue learning and keeping up with the latest marketing trends.
Okay, thank you, Renata. Thank you for your for interview today. We will contact you after we discuss the result of your interview today.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you for your time. I hope your best meal from your company.
Good luck.